You can choose to light up your scene this way, or use an HDRI for more realistic lighting results. You can download an HDRI of your choice from Polyhaven. I will be going with this here. This works in both EV and cycles. Head to the World Properties, Color, and select Environment Texture. Now import your HDRI. It's that simple. We can rotate the HDRI to get different lighting angles. Head to the shader editor. Select World. Select the image node, and hold down Ctrl-T on the keyboard. In order for this to work, make sure you have Node Wrangler turned on. You can enable Node Wrangler in the add-in section. You can also choose to turn off the backdrop the HDRI comes with. You can adjust the strength of the HDRI. Like, share, subscribe.